Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Sunday Statesman newspaper Sudoku Basel on February 13, 2022 4-star Sudoku. 10th row we have 5, 7, 6. Three numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the three cells. Then only three numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 9. We will confirm later. Column B we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then in this grid only two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column H and column J we have 2, 8th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. And 2 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. And 2 is confirmed here. 10th row 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. We will confirm later. Column H we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell. If 5 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. 7 also here. Eighth row we have 7. 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 8th grade only 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 6. Column G we have 3 and 4. 3 and 4 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 8th row 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column J we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Seventh row and column H we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H and column J we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column I 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 3rd row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column H we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 6th grade 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 8. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column H only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column J 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 7. 2nd row and 3rd row we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells. 3 is confirmed here. 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. fourth row and column E we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. And 5 is confirmed here. Column B and column D we have 3. Fifth row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 is confirmed here. Column B and column D we have 2. Third row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. And 2 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. First grid, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. You can confirm 7 also here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column B we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 8 also here. Third row we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. First grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, it will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Third row, only 1 number is remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. Column B, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Seventh grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column D we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. We will confirm later. Column E and column F and 7th row we have pair numbers 1 and 5. It can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. Fifth row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fifth row and 7th row we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. And then column D, only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Fifth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. 7th row, we have 7 and 9. 7, 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the cells. 9th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here, then only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 4th row, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column F, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Fifth row and 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 5th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Fifth row, only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column E, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column F, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 7th row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column F, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.